Welcome to 3452 Filoli Circle in Melrose 53 community of La Costa. This home has been thoughtfully upgraded, is super efficient, and also everything is just about done for you. So it's truly dialed in and turnkey. So the home has a lot of efficiencies such as solar that's been paid for, also has some health benefits such as the water filtration system that also includes softener and reverse osmosis. But it's not just that. The location of this home allows you to live that North County lifestyle, the coastal lifestyle, along with the greenbelt right behind for privacy, also easy access to some of the great trails that have ocean views. So this is a home that's going to be hard to beat. With everything done for you, I recommend you make your way down and check it out.
Guys, guess what?
What?
This community is as awesome as the award-winning schools. Are you guys ready to roll?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, let's go.